Hey everyone! Ipapakita ko sa inyo today kung paano mag-create ng discount codes sa Shopify at mag-share din ako ng strategies to keep in mind on when and how to use the codes. Don't worry, if hindi nyo pa to nagawa before, I'll guide you through the process step by step and teach you along the way. By the way, kung gusto mo magsimula sa Shopify, may special link kami sa baba where you can get free trial and your first month ay only $1. Kaya tara simulan na natin. Pag login mo sa Shopify admin dashboard, makikita mo ang discount options on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it at iselect ang Create Discount button to decide kung anong type ng offer ang gusto mong ibigay sa iyong customers. Ang unang option ay Amount of Products, which applies discount to specific products or collections. Sunod ay ang Buy X, Get Y, na kadalasang ginagamit for offers tulad ng Buy One, Get One Free or Buy One, Get One 50% off. Isa pang option ay ang amount of order, which discounts the total order amount. Panghuli, pwede kang mag-offer ng free shipping na pwedeng automatic na i-apply sa checkout o through a free shipping code. Para sa video na to, gagamitin natin ang amount of order option para mag-provide ng 10% off code sa mga bagong customers. Una, pipili ka ng method. Pwedeng discount code where customers na mismo ang maglalagay sa checkout o automatic discount na mag-a-apply once na-meet ng customer ang certain criteria tulad ng minimum purchase amount. Gagamitin natin ang code na WELCOME10 to offer 10% welcome discount sa bagong customers. Mag-ingat lang sa paggamit ng code tulad ng 10 off dahil ang 0 at O ng magkatabi can look like 100 off and confuse customers. If you're having trouble thinking of a code, pwede mong i-click ang Generate Random Code, but these codes are typically long and confusing. Sunod, para sa discount value, pwede kang pumili between a percentage or a fixed amount off. Dahil mag-offer tayo ng 10% off, I'll keep it at a percentage, then iset sa 10. Para sa minimum purchase requirements, pwede kang pumili between no minimum requirements, a minimum purchase amount, or a minimum quantity of items. Dahil ang code na ito ay for new customers, i-click natin ang no minimum requirements. Para sa customer eligibility, pwede mong iselect ang all customers, specific customer segments, o specific customers by entering their emails. Para sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang specific customer segments. Pag-click mo dito, you can browse and choose between segments na nasetup na, tulad ng customers who haven't purchased, customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, at email subscribers, at customers who have purchased at least once. Dahil ibinibigay natin ang welcome code sa new customers, isiselect ko ang customers who haven't purchased. Pero tandaan na keep different strategies in mind when and how you can use these segments. Mas cheaper mag-retain ng customers kaysa mag-acquire ng bago, kaya maganda na isipin kung paano makakapag-offer ng iba't ibang codes throughout your marketing journey. Sunod ay ang pag-decide ng maximum discount users. Pwede mong limitahan ang total number of times na magagamit ang discount or limit it to one use per customer. Dahil ito ay new welcome discount, lilimitahan natin ito to one use per customer. Pagkatapos iset ang maximum discount use, we'll move on to combinations. Dito, you decide if your discount code can be combined with other codes. Typically, you'd want to allow stacking with shipping discounts, especially kung meron kang automatic shipping discount para sa orders over a certain amount like $75. I will allow my Welcome 10 code na makombine sa shipping discount. Lastly, iset mo ang active date. Pwede kang pumili ng start at end date for your discount code, lalo na kung ito ay limited time promotion. For this code, hindi ko isiset ang end date dahil gusto kong magamit ito ng bagong customers until I decide to change it. Ngayon, review all the parameters para ma-ensure na everything is set up correctly. Under ng summary section, makikita mo ang sales channels kung saan magiging available ang iyong discount code, like your point of sale, Facebook, Instagram, at kahit TikTok Shop. Just make sure na piliin ang lahat ng channels kung saan mo gusto maging available ang discount. Kapag ayos na lahat, i-click ang Save. Mga tips for success. I-promote ang iyong code, get it out there. Gamitin ang shareable link para i-market sa emails, social media, at sa iyong homepage. I-test ang iyong code to ensure na gumagana ito. Magdagdag ng iba't ibang produkto sa iyong cart, mag-setup ng iba't ibang combination, at siguraduhin your code works correctly. Lastly, i-monitor ang performance ng iyong code. I-track kung gaano kadalas ito ginagamit at impact nito sa iyong sales. Machi-check mo ito sa Analytics dashboard, which is also on the left-hand side ng screen. That's all for how to discount codes in Shopify. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-sign up sa Shopify, meron kaming special link below where you can get your first 3 days free and your first month for only $1. Siguraduhin to check the links below para sa aming mga paboritong e-commerce tools. Sana makatulong ang video na to sa'yo. If so, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Gumagawa kami ng content to help you start and grow your e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.